Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about rank and dance rank function in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So about the rank function, so rank function will give non-sequential ranking and it will leave gaps between group. And about the dance rank function, so this function will assign sequential or value or unique value to each distinct row and it will not leave gaps between the group. So at here I'm using the table DBT number and here this is the records inside the DBT table and here I've already created the rank and dance rank query to save some times. So at here this time I'm using rank on order by salary and here I'm using partition by order by sal. So let's understand this query. So at here select. So select at here I selected EMP number, ename, DBT number and here sal. So whatever you column like you can select at here, but here the most important columns are sal and DBT number. So because sal at here I'm going to apply rank on sal column. So at here rank function. So over my clause that I already discussed in my previous videos. So please check there. So at here order by sal and here. So if you don't give DESC, so by default it's the order by is an ascending order. So let's execute this query here. So see at here by default it's the order. So I've created rank on sal column. So at here 800 first. So at a ascending order means lowest to highest. So 800 first, second, 950, 1100 and here 1250. So at when the value reach on 1250, so rank created 44. Here in dance rank created as the 44. But after 1250, when that reach on 1300, so see at here, it's a create one gap. So it should be here. At here it's a displaying 6. But in dance rank function, it's a 4 to 5. So this is the one key difference between rank and dance rank function. So at here rank function leaves gaps between the numbers, between the rank, and here dance rank function won't leave any gap. So 4 to 5 it's here, but here 4 to 6. So wherever that found any or duplicate values in the columns, and if you are applying rank and dance rank function on that column, so at here duplicate value that count 4 at here it's counting 4 but after that leave the gaps. So rank function leave the gaps, but here dance rank function it won't leave any gaps. So this is the one key important point. And here or here you can also apply DSC and here DSC. So DSC then at here the highest salary will display first then lowest. So at here 5000 is the highest salary, it's the rank 1. 3000 is the second highest salary, so at here rank 2, rank 2. But at here see when that reach on third highest salary, so for third highest salary on here, so it is a 2975 but it's giving rank 4, but here dance rank 3. So a rank function that leaves the gaps. And here this is not in sequence order. So at here 1 2 3 4 5, so it's in sequence order. So see at here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So whenever that font or any or duplicate value, so see 1250 is the duplicate value, so at here 9 10, so 1250, so that for 10 here, that for 10, so 10 after that is now continue the sequence. But at here when that rank function found duplicate value, so at here 11, so at here 11, so it's okay. But after that it's not in sequence order, so that here after 11 then create the gaps, then now here it's a 13. So this is the difference between rank and dance rank function. So at here I already discussed order by clause. So if you are using over, and here if you won't give any order by, so it will give the error. So that means at here you must have to give order by clause, then there won't be any error. And here about this is this part. So it's a column alias. So if you execute this query, so see at here, so if you won't give anything, so at here it will display no column. So this is the column alias. So this the place of this on, so at here you have to give column alias r and k, whatever you like. So rank here, and here this is the column alias. And about the override clause I already discussed in previous video, please check there. And hereafter I've created one more query. So with rank function you can also use partition by. So what partition will that do? So partition by clause is used to break the data. So break the data whenever that found any duplicate value in any column. So according to given the columns that break the data. So let's execute this query first. So at here this is the records of DPT10. So DPT10. So that DPT number 10 partition by I've given partition by DPT number. So at here DPT number 10. So it's the thrice tab. So that create that break DPT 10 in one group, 20 in another group, and hereafter 30 in one another group. So after that, that create the rank and dance rank. So partition by, so add here rank is 1 to 3, it's fine. So add here dance rank 1 to 3, and hereafter this is the another breakpoint for 20. So 20, this is for 20. Now here rank is 1, here 1. So see at here 3000 rank for 1 and 1 here. 2975 is the second highest salary. So at here rank created 3 and here 2. So how's that happen? So that rank function add 1 by 1. So like 1 hereafter 1 and hereafter 1. So that's adding the value by 1 by 1. So see at 1 and here 1. So here 1 1. So it's the same columns are duplicate, so that here it's the 1 1. Hereafter that add 2. So hereafter 2 and hereafter here this is 1, here 1. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6. So these are the things, but add here dance rank function 1 hereafter 1. So it won't add continuously. So 1 after that 2, 3, 4, 5. So whenever that want any duplicate value, so that won't add anything. So these are the things about the rank and dance rank function. So partition by clause is the optional part here. So here optional part. So it's all depend on you. So if you're going to find highest salary according to department wise, so by using dance rank function you can easily figure out. So see at here or DPT10 has this. So use at here where clause, and here after if you give rank, so rank 2, so that give 2450 is the second highest value. Dance rank that also give 245 is the second highest value. But if you go at here DPT or 20, so this is for DPT20. So at your rank is 1 1. So if you want to find out second highest salary on DPT20, so second highest salary, so you have to give the rank or dance rank 2. So at your, if you give 2, then that give you a perfect output. 2975 is the second highest salary in the group. But if you give at your rank, so at your it's a giving 3. So 3 is the not the second highest salary. So to find the highest salary in the group, so you have to use dance rank function. So by using dance rank function, you can easily find out second highest salary, third highest salary. So at here see 3000 is the first highest. After that 2975. Hereafter third highest 1560. So if you want to check fourth highest salary, so use dance rank function. Here use where clause hereafter dance rank and give the equal to 4. So that give fourth highest salary in the 20 DPT number 20. So this is the things about rank and dance rank function in my SQL Server database. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So see you next week. Thank you.